Hey everyone, Dorian here to give you the latest on what's happening in the NEAR ecosystem. This is Block Bytes. Today on the agenda we have an update on the NEAR wallet transition, an announcement for the MetaBUILD 3, a look into NEAR's new website, the Calimero network's alpha release, wallet selector news, and more. With that, let's get started. NEAR has followed up on its recent announcement detailing how the foundation was working to decentralize the blockchain's wallet offering and transition away from wallet.near.org to a variety of community-driven options. The community has urged NEAR to allow for this wider variety of wallets, and so the transition from wallet.near.org will be delayed to collaborate further with the ecosystem to make this transition as smooth as possible. Expect no immediate changes to wallet.near.org, but stay tuned for updates from NEAR in the coming months. Now on to MetaBuild. In the first few weeks of September, not only do we have, In the first weeks of Now, on to MetaBuild. In the first weeks of September, not only do we have NEARCon and its in-person hackathon, but in the second part of September, NEAR is gearing up to welcome the third edition of MetaBuild. Come and build your proof of concept at NEARCon and then hop onto MetaBuild to continue your hackathon online. And in 8 weeks, we want to see you take your proof of concept and bring it to market. There's $1 million in prizes and submissions are now open, so follow the link in the description to get started and get registered. In case you didn't notice it, NEAR has a new website. The team is working hard to make sure everyone's learning experience at NEAR is as easy as possible, and we're making more and more resources to help devs, users, and creators achieve that. The changes also includes a whole new revamped docs page for our developers. Pay the site a visit at NEAR.org and let us know what you guys think. The team would love to hear your thoughts on it, so reach out to us by going to our Discord channel or hitting the cute little feedback button at the bottom right hand corner of the new NEAR.org webpage. Calimero network in a nutshell allows anyone to deploy custom private shards or sidechains on top of NEAR. Private shards can be used as independent networks where services can be built without sacrificing user or business data privacy, while still being interoperable with other public chains seamlessly. Again, head on over to Calimero.network or follow them on their Twitter page to learn more. Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all we have for you guys today. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow our TikTok channel and our Twitter channel. I'm going to be posting more videos up there pretty soon. So with that, have a wonderful day.